Sparky the dog. He is so stoned right now that he can't even move. He's just like stuck. You can't really see his face because the light's real dim in here. But if you want me to strike up a lighter, when you hand me a lighter there, buddy. Oh, here we're gonna travel over here and past Owen and go grab the lighter so that we can use Sparky anymore. Lit up environment. Oh yes, he is stoned. I'm going to attempt to touch him. Oh yes, he's definitely out. He's sleeping. He's not even waking up. I'm literally touching the animal. I'm taking my fingers and rubbing on his back, and he's not waking up. Stone Sparky.
Hey!
Oh, what's going on with him?
Oh, he's moving. Oh, he's sleeping.